Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2018 Ram 1500 SLT. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5.7-liter HEMI engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, you got your tow hitch, your backup camera with a lovely bed liner, so you're not scratching up your paint. We do get mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on each side, heated door mirrors, and moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector. We got window deflectors as well with a lovely license plate bracket and that nice Ram grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats. They are carpeted, and you do get some storage underneath, as well as on that side as well. We got your rear vents, 12 volt. You can collapse this for cup holders and arm space with the ability to lift up your seats. Split folding, you got cup holders there as well, with a work surface that you can set out, or you can just have extra storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 101,624 kilometers. We get this nice leather-up steering wheel, cruise control, toggle for your screen, voice, phone, modes, and volumes behind the steering wheel. And looking here, we do get a digital speedometer. We have what station you're currently on. We have vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, audio, stored messages, screen setup, all that jazz. And to remember, we get tons of storage. You get some outlets down here. You got places to put your phone, more storage here, cup holders, center console with even more storage. You even get some outlets here as well. Get lower storage too. Got your four-wheel drive, gear select. You have your tow and haul mode, traction, heated steering wheel, heated seats, 115 volt outlet with storage above, there and there. A little storage coming here. Ram logo on the dash. And above me, we do get our features for our nice powered rear window opener. Pretty handy. Garage door transmitter. You have your SOS and assist on your rear view mirror. And looking at our infotainment system, we do get our climate controls up here or down there, whatever you really prefer. You get your media controls here, such as your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got auxiliary, USB 1 and 2. We got our phone controls, no phones connected. Any apps you may download will show up right here. Vehicle user guide, settings, climate controls, heated seats, mirror dimmer, all that jazz. Your backup camera is just right here as well, pretty handy. Climate controls, such as your seats, backup camera, heated steering wheel, and all your vehicle settings. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8138, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.